Hey everyone, welcome back. At some point in your career as a tax preparer, a client's going to call you and say, I got a letter from the IRS. When that happens, here's exactly what to do. Step 1, don't panic and tell your client not to panic. Most IRS notices are not audits. Most of them are not even bad news. The IRS sends millions of notices every year and many are routine, but you do need to read it carefully. Step 2 is to identify the notice. Every IRS notice has a number in the upper right-hand corner. CP2000 means the IRS found a discrepancy between what was reported on the return and what was reported to them by employers or financial institutions. CP501 through CP504 are balance due reminders with increasing urgency. A letter FIT 525 is an audit notification. The notice number tells you what you're dealing with and how to respond. Step 3 is to check the deadline. Every notice that requires response has a deadline, usually 30 or 60 days from the date of the notice. Missing that deadline can result in the IRS defaulting to their proposed changes, which is almost always worse for the client. Read the date, calendar it, and work backwards from there. Step 4, compare the notice to the return you prepared. If it's a CP2000, pull the return and see whether the income the IRS flagged was actually reported. Sometimes it was reported, but on a different line, and the IRS matching system just didn't pick it up. Sometimes the client had income you didn't know about when you prepared the return. Either way, you need to figure out whether the IRS is right or wrong. Step 5 is to determine whether this is within your scope. If the notice is a simple math error or a CP2000 that you can resolve by showing the income was already reported, you can help the client draft a response. If the notice is an audit, a proposed deficiency, or a collection action, this is moved beyond preparation and into representation territory. Refer the client to a tax attorney, CPA, or enroll agent who handles IRS disputes. Step 6 is to respond in writing by the deadline to the address on the notice. Keep a copy of everything you send. The ability to triage IRS notices calmly and competently is one of the things that builds client loyalty faster than anything else. They'll remember that you were the one who helped them when the IRS letter showed up. More on handling real-world client situations at MuseSpring.com. Quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.